Let's build impact. Ever been appreciated by someone and you still didn't feel like it hit home? That was a nice presentation, but we could do something about the colors. That is a very good idea, but the client wants something else. You were appreciated and yet you didn't feel the satisfaction. It's because of the word but. Author Tim David of the book Magic Words speaks about what is called as the but eraser effect and the but enhancer effect. Pretty much, whatever comes before the word but gets erased or its effect gets diminished, and anything that comes after the word but gets enhanced or gets its focus on. Which is why appreciation doesn't feel like it when it is followed by the word but. A good alternate here is to now use the word and. The presentation was good, and I feel we can also do something regarding the colors. Would you like me to show how? The catch is to ensure that the and doesn't sound in the same tone as a but. And you can also use the word but in your regular language, only try to follow it up with something positive or progressive.